Hey guys, welcome to another Genesis Mining video. In this video, i-update ko lang kayo regarding dun sa payout ng Genesis Mining. As you know, noong August 1, nagkaroon ng hard fork ng Bitcoin. So, ang naging precautionary measure ng Genesis Mining is tinigil nila yung pag-send ng payout. Okay? Tinigil nila for the meantime. For security measure daw. Okay? So, check natin. So, ang last payment na na-receive from Genesis Mining was dated July 29, 2017. Okay? Yan yung last. And, nagkaroon ng payment ngayong August 2, 2017. So, check natin yung aking payout. So, ang payout ko is 0.0045270. So, check natin siya sa price ng peso. Okay, so kung mapapansin mo, 1 Bitcoin is equal to 143,960 pesos and 62 cents. Okay, so paste natin. So, yan. So, ang income ko for 4 days is 651 pesos and 52 cents. So, check natin siya kung magkano siya monthly. Okay, so, ito yung income ko for 4 days. So, try na lang natin siyang i-multiply by 4. By 7. Okay, para kanyari 28 days. Okay, so, 651 times 7. Okay, so, for 4 days kasi yung 651 times 7 is equal to 4,557. So, not bad talaga. So, the best talagang income tong Genesis Mining talaga. Real passive income. So, wala kang gagawin. All you have to do is to sign up and then buy hash power. So, yun yung parang computer power. So, kasi the more na meron kang the more hash power you have, the more Bitcoin you will receive. So, yun yung ng Genesis Mining. So, check natin ngayon yung price ng Bitcoin in dollars. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, ngayon it's $2,854.01 and nag-increase siya since yesterday ng $94. Okay, so if you want to join me on my journey here on Genesis Mining, feel free to sign up. Andyan yung link sa baba. Okay, the best, para sa akin, ito yung best investment regarding sa cryptocurrency. Okay, so just sign up and then buy hash power. Ito po dito. So, ikaw yung mag-decide kung gaano kalaking hash power yung i-purchase mo. Okay, so sabi nga, the more hash power that you have, the more Bitcoins that you will receive. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching this video. If kung may tanong kayo, just comment. Okay, and see you around. See you soon again. Okay, thank you very much.